everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Shabnam Gurum. Today I am here with new video on career opportunities for commerce student after pursuing Master of Business Administration, Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, Certified Management Accountant and Certified Financial Analyst and Business Accounting and Taxation. As we all know, commerce students wish to go for further education. In this video, I am presenting what are the courses available to the students, what are the eligibility criteria to pursue the particular course, the detail of the courses available, and various job opportunities available after completing the course. Those who are new, kindly subscribe my channel as it motivates me to work hard and present such valuable videos. And those who already subscribed, a heartiest thanks for supporting me. At the end of the video, I will be sharing something very important. So be there till the end. So let's start the video. So first option that a commerce graduate are having is to go for further education, that is the MBA, Master of Business Administration. To pursue your degree in MBA, you need to clear your CAT or SET. Your CAT and SET score determine which college you get into. Duration of this course is 2 years, and MBA, there are number of specialization. MBA, you can do MBA in Human Resource Management, MBA in Finance, MBA in Marketing, MBA in Production, MBA in IT, MBA in Operation Management. So you can opt for any specialization of your choice. Next, it is recommended to do MBA after 2 to 3 years of work experience. So what MBA holder can be? So I am here with some examples. So what you will become after doing this MBA? So there are various positions. So you can be a Chief Marketing Director. Next is Chief Technology Director, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Administrative Officer, Sales Director, Investment Bankers, Public Relation Director. So let's move on second one. The next in my list is Chartered Accountant. So CA is one of the best career option after BCom that the commerce student can pursue for. Now in this current scenario, CA comprises of 3 stages, namely CA Foundation, CA Intermediate and CA Finals. If you are going for CA after completing your 12th, so you have to go for CA Foundation. But if you are going for CA after completing your graduation, so you can be directed to the CA Intermediate. Next is clearing all stages along with internship of 3 years make you a certified accountant and can pursue career in internal auditing, tax auditing, forensic auditing, accounting and finance, taxation advisory and many more. So what a CA can be? So you can be a finance manager in any firm, you can be tax manager, you can be a tax consultant, and you can be a certified public accountant. Next career is in my list is CS, that is Company Secretary. So this is 3 years long degree, comprises of 3 stages, that is foundation, intermediate and professional. The Institute of Company Secretary of India organizes the exams and courses to become company secretary in India. So what are the job profile of CS? So a CS is responsible for managing all the legal aspects of a firm. Company secretary usually take care of company's tax return, maintain tax records, offer actionable advice to the board of directors, and ensure that all the legal and statutory regulations are met. And the next important career option that is available is CMA, that is Certified Management Accountant, and this course will be suitable for those people who want to settle down or who is looking their career in abroad. So this, after doing this CMA, you will get a global exposure. So in this course you have to clear 2 stages of examination along with a work experience of 2 years. This CMA is under another global acknowledged professional certification credential that is offered by the Institute of Management Accountants in the USA. So the CMA holder can be financial analyst, next is finance manager, financial risk manager, chief financial officer, financial controller, cost manager. After financial analyst, this course is of 2 years. It consists of level 1, level 2 and level 3. The CFA exam is conducted by CFA Institute. It is designed to measure and certify the competency and integrity of financial analyst. So what it includes? So it includes a wide range of topics in the domain of advanced investment analysis, including statistics, economic probability theory, cooperative finance, security analysis, financial analysis, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investment and portfolio management. So what job options are there available after you become a CFA holder? So I'm here with some example. So you can become a research analyst, you can be a corporate financial analyst, you can be portfolio manager, you can be financial advisor, risk manager. Next one is BAT, that is business, accounting and taxation. So this course is a program that is meticulously designed by industry expert to groom aspirant to become industry ready for the accounting job role. So in this program you will not only engage in practical and experimental learning but also master some of the most in demand tools of accounting and taxation. The duration of this course is differ from 6 to 24 months. So what the BAT degree holder can be? So again, it's an accountant, account executive.
Please join my Telegram channel via link which is provided in the description box below for more updates. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I could serve your purpose of watching my video, and I'm sure it will add. Please like and comment the video and share with your family and friends. And subscribe my channel for more new videos and click the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I could serve your purpose of watching my video, and I am sure it will add on your knowledge. Thank you so much.